In a class of 50 students, 40% are girls. Find the number of boys in the class. So, let's calculate the number of the girls. So, the percentage of the girls is 40%. And the total number of students is 50. And we need to find the number of boys in the class. But first, let us find what is 40% of 50. How to do that? So this is 40%. We need to make it into decimal. Imagine there is a decimal here, then move it to the left twice. 1, 2, then put the decimal. So it will become 0.40. Then multiply 50 to 0.40. So 50 times 0.40. So 2 zeros, 1, 2. Then 4 times 5 is 20. Then count the decimal. 1, 2. So ibig sabihin ang 20, ito ang number of girls. Ibig sabihin ang 40% pala ng 50 is 20. Ang sabi dito, 40% are girls. Ibig sabihin, 20 ang girls. So, paano naman natin hahanapin ang number of boys in the class? At dahil alam na natin na ang girls pala ay 20, ima-minus or isa-subtract natin ang 50 sa 20. So, 50 minus 20 is 30. So, ibig sabihin ang boys are 30. Therefore, the number of boys in the class is 30. In a class of 30 students, 20% are boys. Find the number of girls in the class. So, let's calculate the number of boys. The percentage of boys is 20%. The total number of students is 30. The number of boys is 20%. So, let's find what is 20% of 30. So, paano nga ba gawin iyan? Ito yung 20%. Imagine mayroon niyang decimal dito. So, paano siya gawin into decimal number? Move to the left twice. 1, 2, so dito. So, ang 20% ay magiging 0.20. And then, itong 30, i-multiply natin sa 0.20. So, 30 times 0.20 is, so 1, 2, 2 zeros, 1, 2. Then, 2 times 3, 6. Count the decimal, 1, 2. So, ibig sabihin, ang boys pala ay 6 or 6. So, itong 6, ito ang boys. Paano naman natin mahanap ang number of girls in the class? So, 30 students, ima-minus natin sa 6 na boys. So, 30 minus 6 is 24. So, ibig sabihin, ang girls ay 24. Therefore, the number of girls in the class is 24.